It is a gorgeous day out, finally, 72 and sunny. Summer is here, even though it's June. We're gonna walk over and check out Aunt Susie's garden, see how that's coming. She's way ahead of mine. I've got to still build my whole garden and make a fence and do all that stuff. Ooh, looks like we have some sugar snap peas. These are my absolute favorite right here. I like to help them climb, because otherwise they'll turn into a mess. Something like that. Put that guy up in there. That should help him out. We need that to look like that. Oop. Oh, looks like he doesn't want to do that yet. Look at this guy reaching. Perfect. Little assistance. What else we have here? Yellow pear tomato. She's in her tomatoes. Looks like we've got the zucchini. I don't know what that is. I think that might be garlic that she planted last year. That's asparagus. Got some butter baby squash, butternut squash. These are blueberry bushes. These are all tomatoes. She's big on her tomatoes. These are golden raspberries, which are fantastic. They taste way, way better than just regular raspberries and blackberries, if you ask me. These are the same. And these are normal blackberries. Looks like she's going to do some green beans, which is fantastic. And yeah, there we go. Just in case you were interested, check back. I'll make videos as stuff grows. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bubba, come! Just living his best life. Where are you going? Come on, let's go. All right, guys, have a great weekend.